First thing he does was already worthy of a honk. Cuts me off by changing lanes from a dead stop.
God, it's brutal out here.
Now he just remains hesitant, never passes a truck that I was in this lane to pass, and he just continues to be, clueless and hesitant until, I just decide to no longer put up with it. Then it comes to the fact that he just didn't meet this lane in the first place, just wanted to annoy the crap out of me. And that's it. That's all for this video. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Here's a preview of the next episode. And also, if you want to see what the first honks from other years were like, I'm going to put a link up here in the cards. And remember, the year has just started. There's still plenty of time to change your driving habits.